Guys, I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. You know, today I went to this burger shop, and it was okay. It was pretty nice. And they, and I know I'm a good guy because I talk about how good of a guy I am so frequently. And they gave me an extra Fanta can. But because I am the man who I am, I walked back after finishing my burger and handed it to the burger lady and I said, listen, you gave me an extra Fanta can. And then she went, oh, thank you. Thanks for giving it back. And then everyone got on their hands and knees and saluted me.
Wait a second, Carl. I think you stole somebody's drink.
What do you...
That's Carl with a C, not a K.
What the fuck was that?
Has your Valentine been taken by Dream?
You can be my Valentine if you want, George.
No, I don't think so.
What the hell?
All around me are familiar faces.
You know what, George? I don't need you, okay? I don't actually need you, okay? You know I don't, right?
What?
Yeah, like, I don't need you, right? Like I don't actually. Yeah, I'm fine, perfectly. Everything's all right. You know, like it's perfectly.
You
know.
can hear him mopping the goddamn like.
No, Mom. No, he broke up with me.
What?
No, he said, yeah, he said it's over. He said.
What?
Yeah, no, it'll be okay.
Oh, welcome back, Dream.
I had a business meeting. Sorry.
Yeah.
EAMPFIRESONG song, and if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong, but it'll help if you just sing along.
I don't speak Spanish.
I want a pony for Christmas.
I don't care about that. We're gonna die.
What
Hey,
was
Whoa. I drop kicked that child in self-defense.
Get in the bed! Alright, we're good. No, don't go. Are you...
Stop!
They're high, they have drogas, las drogas, la mente, Hijo de la chingada madre, vas a escuchar hijo de tu puta madre.
Wait, what are you saying? What are you saying to him?
Women only have 4 moods.
I'll be your... Come in, Nikki!
Hello.
Hello, Nikki!
Hello.
Oh my
need to
god,
breathe, sorry.
I brought you something.
Oh, really?
Things that you'll never get.
Okay.
Here is a mushroom. Here is
I don't know if you saw
a leash. So you can get a pet squid.
Ah, thank you.
Underwater light.
Here is
You have lanterns, soul lanterns,
leather.
lanterns, glow stars,
Wow, what's
another
that?
mushroom.
Here is something called
Have a
fire.
Fire.
He's a lighter on fire. That's fire.
Here is fire. And this